Oke, sekarang Altaaf mau bikin
Command
truck ya, truk komando. Nah, ini dari Emco Brix ya.
truck also, Mommy.
Nah, ini tuh sebenarnya untuk 6 tahun ke atas, tapi Altaaf emang suka banget Lego. Jadi, ayo kita buat Altaaf.
And we follow a picture.
Oke.
We need to take this one.
Nih, gimana nih teman-teman? Ya, mobil pasukan ya, command truck.
Command truck, Mommy.
Tuh, lihat.
And this is for putting rocket in.
Nih, jadi nanti pasukannya masuk di dalam sini. Ya. Wow, bagus kan teman-teman ya hasilnya? Sorry.
Apa nih?
Sorry.
Mom, we can see a bad guys from a telescope. And so see a bad guys. Also some this.
Itu antena.
What?
Antena.
Antenna?
Iya.
Right, Mommy? So ding, ding, ding. And see there. And there's bad guys there. And what in it there? Yeah. And got the police station. Right, Mommy? I will make a big one. I will make a big one for you, Mommy.
Okay.
Bye-bye, friends. Thank you for watching. See you you on next